get up in here. Had to add the risk disclaimer for the gamblers out there. This is only entertainment.
I mean,
we at open.
dude,
we live.
I mean, I get it.
Hey, for the folks that don't know, it's only entertainment.
I followed that gambler's trend and lost all my life savings.
Exactly. Do not blame your boy. Going on, everybody? Actually, I think I gotta move this.
Okay. Let's make this money today. Let's get it. I think Top Step has a free reset going on today, even though they suck right now. They got a free reset going on today, and I think they have a chance to win a 100K XFA.
An XFA or a combine?
Oh yeah, combine. I apologize.
Oh, I was about to say, like, dang, they giving away funded accounts like that?
Yeah. I know somebody with a bot is gonna probably get gonna be the first, because in situations like these, I mean, a bot is gonna fill out that form faster. So pretty that the same way how to get the shoes, someone's gonna probably hit up Top Step forms the same way.
Yeah.
And get a bot to do it. So if you get it, okay. So I'm looking to get in long at around if price gets down to 940 or 990, 980, I'm getting in long there. That's where I'm gonna transact at.
980. Wait, what? 4? You talking about 4?
I'm sorry. 490 or 490.
490, 480. 490. Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, because that would be like almost like a double bottom around there.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't know. I can't call it today because, like, I mean, last night I was looking when you sent me that message, like, oh, what's up with the news was weak. I was looking, but I didn't see that the whole move really started at like London Open.
actually, let me take that back. I'm actually going to get in at 466. If I do see a bullish reaction at 490, it'll probably get to 538 and sell off. But I'm gonna get in at 466. That's where I'm gonna get in at 466.
Okay.
But you were talking to me about the news. What?
Nah, just the news is
that set it off. Like, dude, you saw my screenshot? Like, it missed my limit. I had my limit at 58, but I mean, it only got to 66. So, I mean, I had my limit at 58. And boy, when I woke up, I was like, "Oh snap! I might have gotten filled." Nah, I ain't get filled. Freaking sucks.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back.
But honestly, I don't know why I had it that low. Because looking at the higher time frame, I do see that breakout. I see the breakout at 69. I do see that breakout. And then we closed last week at 63, so I should have. Well, I guess I was putting it at 58 just in case to try to catch the exact bottom. I guess trying to be cute with the entry. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna get in at 466. That's where I'm getting in at.
Absorption by
win or lose, that's what I'm doing.
Muhammad hopped in the 540 long. Dang. Yeah, that was a good little. And I'm looking at it. That's like right off VWAP on this 1,000 tick. That was a nice move.
Absorption buyers and
nice move. And that's funny. No, because that was yesterday's 570. So let's see. Yeah, they just dumped it 50 points at 8 o'clock. I was like, hey, yo. A 50 point dump at 8. As soon as it hit 8, I'm like, hey, yo. And I wasn't, I'm too busy trying to set everything up.
We'll see what happens at 590. Let's see what happens at 590. Because I mean, this can continue to go up because technically we're in a new trading range, but we just rebalanced at that supply area, so this could go down. But if it does go down, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Because it might not even get down to 466. Actually, it might. Now looking at this from another perspective, this might actually get to 507, 500 area,
Absorption
and probably
sellers
find
and
support
Q.
there. Looking at a higher time frame. Actually, let me look at this. 17,507. Yeah, around like yeah. Let's see what happens at 507, 508, 507, 500 area. And then,
Um, yeah. So I hopped in last night. For them Apex accounts, I took a short. It only took me 2 hours, but I passed the Apex accounts last night. Trading trading pre-market.
Okay, so I'm watching Top Step TV right now, and this dude went long, and I don't understand why he thought going long was gonna work.
Absorption sellers and Q.
We are in a bullish move, and we're about to break the bottom of this trading range right here. He went long at the top of this channel. Okay, I don't understand why he went long, man. That was a horrible one.
I mean, if you think of it, when he went long, that was actually a nice little in the moment. I mean, if you're looking for a scalp, he got long off VWAP. He popped up to what the open 5
He didn't get long at VWAP.
from 40.
He got long at like 570. He got long at 570.
Who got long 570?
I'm doing all Top Step.
Oh, you talking about? I'm talking about Muhammad. Muhammad.
No, not Muhammad, man. We understand he's the indicator in the room. That's the indicator. I said no, the dude on Top Step.
Oh, Top Step. He long. Who? Yeah. Michael? Long in the top?
Nah, Rips. That Rips guy. He's the only person in position right now. Hogue took a position. Rips is in long at 561. I mean, that's the top of the range.
Yeah.
I was not long the top of the range, dude.
Yeah.
I mean, I'll wait for that breakout. And then that retest, and I'll go long at the top of the range. But
yeah,
so
R.I.P. Rips in his position.
We'll
How many cons is he in? Just one, or is he in multiple?
I think he's in just one.
Okay.
Yeah, he's just in one.
So he could survive it, but still, you don't want to.
Yeah. Buyer sweep and Q.
I mean, that's not a good look. You don't want to long the top of a range. But
they seem to be buying off this around this 530, 540 area, so he might be all right to. Yeah, caught the long. Muhammad sold, so he went 40, went in at 540, got out at 70 for a nice little 30 points. And then repositioned long at 530. See, that's how you do it right there. That's how you do it right there, baby.
That's exactly how you do it. Exactly how you do it. I was actually looking at this last night because doing my recap, and I was like, dude, if I can just take profits and reposition, I will make a lot more money, but I'm just so stubborn, dude. I'm so stubborn. I want my target in one go. I don't want to close it and have to try to find another entry point or hope. So, but in hindsight, yeah, you do definitely make more. Definitely make more by doing that. Yeah. That's why I might actually really just focus on Apex, even though I hate their payout structure. It actually might be good for me, actually. Because you're not really thinking about the payout. You're just focusing on building the
Shoot.
account up, and then once you get to the 10 days, even if you make several mistakes, if you trade it correctly, you have a good cushion. So,
Mhm.
and you say you can only take out like 3,500 from the 300K.
Yeah, it's 35 something, I think, something like that, or maybe
Yeah.
I don't know. I have to
Absorption
look at it
buyers
again,
and
but
Q.
the 300K, man, it had to be, guys and gals, it had to be sacrificed last night. So I did pass the 350K accounts full port, but because I hopped in last night probably around, I don't remember. It took me about 2 hours. I think I was done at 10:40. That's when I exited my position. So yeah, I was in probably around a little after 8 o'clock. And my foolish self thinking that price is just gonna keep dropping down without any like pullbacks. Even in the pre-market, that mess was slow and painful. And so I hopped in the shorts at about like 520 area, 518, 520. My average ended up being 519 short.
Buyer sweep ES.
And then I ended up getting out at
Market volume stock
89. Yeah, 489 was my target. I ended up getting out. So I caught a little over 30 points.
Absorption buyers and Q.
Little over 30 points for and 15 cons to
Absorption buyers
hit that
and
9K.
Or hidden ask.
But it was rough. Like I said, I full ported the 300K account too. Obviously, you know, it got sacrificed on the pullback, and yeah, it was just bad business. I was sad. I was like, dang, I want to see what I could really do with that. But then I was like, you know what? At least I got 3 out of 4, right? Take 3 out of 4.
Yeah. That's all you can do at this point, man. Take what the market gives you.
Because I was,
dude.
yeah. And I was just gonna say I was just blinded by the shorts because I looked at it, I was like, dang, they dropping this thing, they dropping it. We could see 450. You know, they dropping it, they dropping it.
Absorption
450, baby. And then yeah. We slowly grinded down.
Yeah. This actually looks like a good long, dude. I'm not gonna take it because it's too high up. But looking like a good long right here.
Yeah, I see what you said.
If it breaks the top of this range, if it breaks 69, nah. That's why you gotta wait, man.
You gotta wait. You gotta be patient. That's the hard part, right? Staying patient.
That is the hard part, man. Being patient for it. Just letting the market set up. Because, I mean, once the market sets up, everything is clear. If there's no structure, there should be no trade. But this is the NASDAQ, baby.
It is the NASDAQ.
It's the NASDAQ, baby. If there is no structure, there should be no trade.
Did they do that fire drill? They giving out the fire drill? They do that already?
Yeah, they're probably going to do it early in the segment. They'll lose half their viewers.
Yeah. You know, camera, they gotta wait till like midday, end of the day to get that out. Like, they so grimy for that. Like, stop holding out. Give it the dang resets. So now...
that drop...
Oh, go ahead.
No, I was going to talk about that drop yesterday. That drop was vicious yesterday, man.
Oh, yeah.
That was a vicious drop.
Yeah.
Vicious drop. All we've been getting a big move down and the bulls buying and back up. What the hell happened yesterday? What happened? Why did that not happen yesterday? I understand we got the news, but let's not pretend like these guys don't already had this information beforehand. I mean, they got analysts that projects these numbers and they go off of that. And from what I've seen, a lot of their numbers are close to, what is officially released. So I'm trying to figure out. I know it couldn't have been the news if that was holding everybody back. But yeah, that drop yesterday was crazy vicious, man. Crazy
It was.
Vicious.
It was. Yeah, so like we said yesterday, I was like, it either gonna. I said if it breaks the structure, it's going down. Otherwise, we could see 800 yesterday at the end of the day. Obviously, it broke the structure. It broke structure and just dumped.
Mm-hmm. No man, that was dumb. Yeah, I was up like what 4K yesterday. I gave that shit all back.
Absorption buyers and Q.
Gave it all back. I was trying to shoot for 10K yesterday, man. Gave it all back. I guess I would have got it if I went short at that 750 level. I just didn't realize that 750 level was that level. I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
I found out.
Yeah.
I found out.
What was I gonna say? I don't remember. Let's see. Cause I kind of want to hop in the shorts, but I don't want to short near VWAP. Cause I feel like this is tipping over, but yeah, I think the best short would have been up here, 565. Ultimately, 570 would have been awesome. Oh yeah. That's what I was gonna say. So today in this account, I'm just trying to have like a $4,500 day. Cause I can't. If I make too much, I'll go over my consistency, and ultimately have to end up making more money. And I don't want to have to do that in an eval. So we got the Apex accounts passed. I was hoping they were gonna, cause I passed it before midnight, but I didn't. I traded the afternoon session, or technically the next trading day. So I guess I was hoping to get that email in the morning for the funded side when they updated at midnight, but I guess since I technically traded in today's session, because you know how it starts at 6 the next day. Yeah. So I didn't get the email saying, "Oh, you passed." But and so I guess they'll have to update today. Yeah, because it's still showing blank on my so that'll update today. And then those will be ready to go Monday.
ESH4 market volume stock sell.
Hey, can you hear my TV in the background?
I don't know. I hear your YouTube guy or your Discord guy. Oh no, that's me.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
That's my voice.
My TV is kind of said the Discord guy.
I thought that was, that guy you be listening to that trades the S&P. I thought that was him.
Nah. So that's fine. That's funny, dude. Yeah, today's Friday. I think we're gonna get this. I mean, the news is out, but we do have, a heavy week of earnings next week. So I'm gonna assume that today these big institutions are going to be building their positions for next week. We had that big drop down, so I highly doubt that we continue to fall without a decent retracement. I mean, technically, we did have a decent retracement in the pre-market. It was decent. But, I mean, we'll see what happens, man. All we can do is just rate the chart.
Yeah, I want to, all right, I just took a long at 540, just one lot. I want to see, because the 4 hourly looks promising to pump back up. The 1 hour, not so much, but if I got, if 4 hour is king over the 1 hour, then we'll see. The 1 hourly looks like it still wants to drop, or it could drop. Let me say that, could drop.
Well, let's see. Let's see what SPY's doing. Because you know that the NASDAQ ain't going to pump unless SPY does. SPY's behind it. SPY's going short. SPY's going short. Um, there are some call sweeps, but those were at open. It wasn't like man, look, this is what the second or third time that Spy has predicted the big drop. What did we talk about yesterday? I'm talking about the flow was straight up put sweeps, put sweeps, put sweeps, put sweeps. That's all was on the board. And I might have to just write lines to tell myself that if I see a bunch of put sweeps or call sweeps, then pay attention to that and add it to my analysis. Because with that big dump that we had yesterday, they were buying SPY puts at 488, and you already saw that big drop we got. So they bought them at 488. They got a $3 drop. Congratulations to the people that sold the top. I wish I was a part of that. Or I wish, or I would like to have, again, paid attention to that and followed the flow.
Yo, you ain't check your side chick. They just they just mentioned it for you. You ain't been checking on your side piece. Or excuse me, your main.
Oh my god. I've been focused on dude, what the you know what? I'm just gonna close this chart. This makes me angry.
Don't remind
look at that move. Yo. Okay. I'm gonna go back to CL. Like I gotta structure something, man. I gotta structure this, dude. I gotta structure it. I pay so much attention to NQ, but CL be moving sometimes, man. Damn.
You gotta catch her at the right moment. You gotta catch CL at the right moment.
Yeah, you definitely do. Cause you gotta get her at the right moment.
She do be moving, but let's see if we get this golden zone. This buy off this golden fib.
That drop back down to 75.56 is gonna be epic, and I'm gonna buy it.
75.66.
75.56. I'm gonna look for that area to go long if it gets down there. Yeah, everybody in Top Step TV's chat is talking about resets. I mean, they know what they was doing with that reset code. They know. They know that's why they got their views. That's why they won't give it out right away.
Exactly. Don't nobody really even want to tune in today. They stream for real.
I mean, it's. I think that's why they got rips on. Because I mean, let's be honest. Nobody on that is yeah, okay.
Yeah, so
they're not modern traders. They're not day traders. They look for swings like Hogan and the other guy. They're not day traders. They are not. They don't got the personality type to be that. They don't have aggressive personality types. They're not day traders. They're swing traders.
Yeah.
But they are professional traders though. So this is not the environment where they do well in. And these other guys in there, they suck. They're not really good.
They're
not good. Especially that Andre guy always hating on people.
The man's straight up hater.
Always hating. And I think that's why they put Rips on it. I'm like, honestly, I'm looking at their business structure. They needed somebody like Rips on their channel that's modern, that's relatable to today's gambler or intraday trader. And that's actually, I'm pretty sure he's decent, man. He looks like he's a really good trader. And we're just looking at him, he would think that, oh yeah, he's a good trader. I don't know how he trades, I don't watch him, but he looks, and that's all that matters. As long as he looks like a good trader, that's all that matters.
As long as he looks the part.
As long as you look like a good trader, that's all that matters, man.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, they got rid of their main ambassadors for one guy, though. If it, like you said the other day, like if it was ICT, yeah, okay. You take his cult following any day, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we got to break below this range. Let's see if the Bulls hold it here. Let's see if they hold it here at 520.
They better hold it.
We got to break below the range, and we got prior support at this area. You know what, man? Do I want to take this? Do I want to? I'm gonna take it, dude.
What you taking? Taking a short?
I'm taking it. No, I'm not taking a short. I'm taking it long.
Okay, so we in this together then. I was just a little bit early. I should have, well, coulda, woulda, shoulda. Apex bought out the ambassadors for Top Step. Yeah, that's what it seemed like, right? They all moving over. Oh, Apex got 20 accounts.
Okay, no, never mind. Well, we'll see. I got a limit at 530. But that's the bottom of that range. Actually, let me take that off. No, I'm taking that off. Because that's the bottom of that range.
Scalps. Scalps. How are we looking on the 5 minute? Ugh.
Yeah, this is dude, okay. I'm not dealing with this, and I don't have to. NQ, I'm tired of you. I'm tired of this price action. We want the old NQ back. That's what we want.
I miss the old NQ. Straight from the soul NQ.
All right, man. So, yeah, dude, this is hard, man. This will definitely be. This will definitely be hard.
Well, I
think that 490 entry. I think that 490 entry will probably be the best entry.
Well, yeah, for a long, but I feel like this could go reverse here soon. I don't think the drop continues.
I don't think so either. I don't think we break these pre-market lows, or we don't get like a strong close below it. Let me say that, because obviously we can break it, but I don't think we get a close below it without it getting bought back up, because obviously there's buyers in this area, and it's chopping down and stuff because we just came out of a range.
Maybe I'm being a little optimistic, but yeah, I think maybe this gets down to 510 potentially.
Yeah, I think so.
And then bounces.
I think like 5.8, 5.7. Yeah.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
Yeah.
I agree with that.
Or if it doesn't, reverse here, but I feel like, yeah, I'm optimistic. I'm long at 534. So I'm in long with an average of 534. So we'll see.
Range extensions. Okay, so let's see what that's at. Yeah, 510. Yeah, I think that's a pretty decent. That's a pretty decent entry. But if it gets down to 590, I think that's a better entry. Man, it got down to 517. See, and that's the one thing about the NQ, because it's like
back to VWAP.
You're not always gonna get the best entry though.
Yeah,
that was like a 17-point move right there, dude. Dang.
But see, if you placed a limit at the bottom, anywhere in this golden fib zone, you'd have been straight. Anywhere in here. It's crazy how these fibs work off that and then that retracement.
But the SPY is still it's looking like it's gonna break down. Like I don't think SPY's gonna break these highs at 85, man.
Back
not gonna
to
break
VWAP. Oh, I ain't SPY is a oh yeah. That's
I'm sorry, I keep saying the wrong thing. 88. 488.
Oh, you don't think it's gonna break
for these 488 highs?
Oh, okay. So. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, that looks like a fair flag.
Golden fib, exactly. Golden fib for the win again. Muhammad's long 520. So I know I'm good, baby. I know I'm good. That's the indicator right there. How high are we riding this, Muhammad? We riding into the sunset? Let's go. We got more news coming out. I mean, I saw the big one. Maybe I should take this and reposition. Let's see.
Let me just turn it down.
Let me see.
I really don't even know what they're saying. I just need to look at the chat.
Let me see though, because if we Muhammad long. So I'm good.
Man, missed that damn long. That was a great 30-point move.
Oh, okay. It didn't. Oh, okay. I'm gonna close out. I'm closing out. Mine is kind of delayed right now. My stuff is a little bit delayed. That worries me. I closed out.
What are you talking about?
I closed out because it didn't break this EMA here. It didn't really break structure. I got out. Oh yeah, I guess that would be news. Right now. 8.3. The consensus was 1.5. Oh. I wanna long again at the bottom of this. I want to long again at the bottom. Cause I don't fully believe in it. Come on, baby, give me my opportunity. No, come back.
Are you trying to get in long at?
I was gonna try to get long at 529. Maybe I should take it to golden fib though. Maybe I should take it to golden fib. Let's see.
I think your 529 inch is probably good.
It don't even matter. I missed the boat anyway. I took my profit. I got out. Let's see what we got to do today. Because this is still, I mean, this isn't a downtrend on the 5-minute, but who cares about the 5-minute, right? We do. We do. Do 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 do. We do. Hopefully, yeah. Never mind. I'm tripping. I want to see if I can get that 529 entry. Maybe. Right off of that, and then I put this right down here at bottom of golden fib. 17.
Oh shit, Top Step TV talking about they putting the book map on their TV. But yeah, dude, like man, I'm not liking how Spy. That's the only reason why I'm like, I don't know about that, man. I don't know about any longs working right now.
Like, yeah, am I tripping right now? Or are we just gonna keep doing this back and forth, like, and stair step down though? Trade candles. It didn't get me filled at 529, which is crazy. All right, now we in there. 529 long. Like, are we just gonna trade candles though and stair step down? That would be something.
Yeah, that would be something. If price got all the way down to 384, that would be something.
384? What the heck? Actually,
I'm just looking at the higher time frame, and I'm like, that would be something.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you know what? No, I'm not playing this game, man. I'm not.
Dang, I got it. It filled me right. No drawdown, baby. No drawdown. Right at that's the bottom of that candle, 529. Come on, baby, don't give it up. You testing V. Come on. We got to break point of control at 550. 550 point of control on book map.
Let's look at this volume, man. Let's look at this volume. Let's look at it. Because obviously the volume has to suck. Yeah, we're at 220K in daily volume right now. 220K in daily volume right now. They just submitted the form to win the 100K. They just submitted it, so good luck.
Top Step people in the chat, they just submitted the form. Go ahead over there and try to claim y'all accounts. I think this is gonna probably like just exchange candles for real.
And it says, please submit one entry only. You must use your top step credentials to ever. We will share the form in a live chat multiple times throughout the day's broadcast. Qualify, you have to have your name on one entry only. No need to fill out more than one today. You must use your top step username and email to qualify. We will select 400 random winners and email you the code next week. All right, good luck. Good luck, guys.
Actually,
Y'all
this
want a
will probably
free
extend
or
down
a
a little
chance to
bit.
win a 100K from Top Step, even though they're sucking right now. When I say that they, like, I don't know if anybody's aware, but they was having issues yesterday when I was talking about how for some reason my fields were getting messed up. They wouldn't close out of my positions and stuff like that. Well, apparently they was having issues with Rhythmic. And then last night they completely closed out the ability to put in trades. I was locked out of the account yet again, missed the short, even though I was going to go open. I was going to go long at open, but still, just not being able
But still.
to take that long. I'm not going to lie, it did save me because I was straight going to go long at open.
Yeah.
It was in demand. I was like, dude, like, does this drop?
You see this?
Yeah.
You see this delay I'm dealing with? That was crazy. But
all right, let's see if we get that 5. Let's see if it goes long here, dude.
nah, they about to take this thing down. Flush the
I
toilet.
don't know.
Flush the
I don't
toilet.
know, man. I don't know.
They about to take
Let's
this
see.
thing down.
Let's see if they get down to
Downtown.
590.
Downtown. They cleanly broke that. Actually, the cream of the crop rise to the top. Get back up to VWAP. VWAP 540-ish. Oh, VWAP actually on Bookmap sunk down a little bit. It's invalidated. But you know I'm gonna hold my position.
Oh, we know, baby.
Even
That's
though
how we do around here.
even though everything's telling me that this is get the
I
piss
mean,
out.
like, I don't think so. I think this is the area to go long, dude.
That 510 long we spoke of.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, I'm in it. I'm in it at 510. I'm in it.
Yeah, it dropped down to what, 503, 504.
Yeah. So honestly, I'm already in it right now. I got a scale in position at 590 just in case. But I think this actually, this probably retest the top of this range at 590, dude.
You sound real optimistic. I love it, but I don't know. This looks like a stair step down. Like we're just exchanging candles right now. We just had red, now we got green, red, green, and like maybe it makes its way to VWAP and then they sell off of VWAP. I don't know. It's like right there.
I don't think we sell anymore. I don't think we sell anymore, man.
Let me check some other stuff because
I think we at least get to I think we get to 590, 585, 590 in that area. I think that's where we go.
I see why you're saying that. Like I get it. But I don't know. Let's just see how it plays out.
Oh yeah. I don't got no more buying power no more. I lost 5-6K yesterday.
Long 516. That's a good long. Caught that golden fib basically. See, we're just exchanging. Yeah. We're just exchanging right now. Like short, long, short, just to go down lower. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Dude, this is stair stepping this way up, dude.
Let me see, because I know which chart you're looking at. I think this is stair stepping down. Hey, we gotta break VWAP basically. 540. Why does my stuff keep giving me these?
You don't think we're gonna do that?
These thin lines. I don't think they want it right now. It's a thin line between love and hate. Scalp it up, scalp it down. Yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. But I don't think I'm the best equipped for that right now. Like I'll go too heavy, and then it goes against me, and then yeah. But 1-2 cons, yeah. Yeah, because nothing. I don't think nobody can hold for anything, any big gainers right now, unless we break
Oh,
out, break
yeah, unless we break out.
560, then we'll talk.
I think that's the next place we're going to at the top of this range, dude. I got my first target at 57. I got my first target there.
Yeah, we break that, then we'll talk. Get to the 23%. Okay, then we'll talk. We'll talk selling at the 23%.
You know, the network adapter issues, and he's been in contact with
But
service required to get it resolved. Network adapter issues. And his laptop has been having network adapter issues.
see that almost broke VWAP. Almost. Or almost touched VWAP. We didn't even get to touch. Touch. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this is looking like just boop, 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 boop to go lower. Yeah, right now this ain't ideal for holding anything. Yeah, I could have took that off because to me it's looking like this is stair stepping its way down. But we want that elevator up though. At what point do we get our elevator up? So let's see if we can get it. Yeah, I'll take it off at VWAP, I guess. Take off 35. What? Boom, 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 boom. I think I might as well get out right here because I'm gonna take some drawdown. Later, Jack. Have a good weekend. Order filled. All right, I'm out half. Let's just see what happens if we get this break here or if it's going to reject VWAP again. It's rejecting VWAP. Okay. I'm going to try that. I'm going to try for the...
Yeah, baby. Keep on pushing, baby. Keep on pushing. Yeah, this is going up. I think we at least get to the top of this range, dude. At least. And if we can break this range, if we can break the top of this range, we can possibly get back to 600. We can possibly get, and then probably even push further than that. I think we hit the bottom, dude, or at least for the bottom right now. I mean, the news wasn't that bad, not enough to scare investors, but at the same time, we had that big sell-off yesterday. I mean, price dropped what? How many points? We was at 750. Now we're at 5. I mean,
yeah.
we got to the lows of what, like 5? Like, what was the lows? like 5 something. Or actually, no, it was lower than that. It was like 4.
466 was the
Yeah,
overnight low.
466. Yeah, 466. So 750 minus 466. Yeah, that's like a 284 move. The market usually doesn't overextends 250 points usually, and when it does, we usually get a big giant pullback, and it's usually due to news. But obviously, we had news this morning. I guess investors wanted to de-risk their portfolio, so they sold off in anticipation of this news. And I'm thinking the investors are saying, okay, we got the news. We got FOMC next week. The news doesn't, I guess it's hope, because what is it? Good news is bad news, is bad news is good news. And with this news, even though I don't completely understand it, I'm not even going to pretend like I do. It seems that the investors aren't selling off anymore, because if it was the market took it horribly, we would have saw a big dump. But obviously, it seems like the market is trying to recover. So, and we'll see. We'll see. We got news. We got FOMC next week. We have tech earnings all next week. Google, Apple, Amazon on Apple and Amazon on the same day. Powell, like, dude, we got news all next week, dude. We talking about volatility? Yeah, ain't gonna be nothing but volatility next week, man.
Yeah.
I'm excited for it.
I'm excited for it. Yeah, next week
I'm
should be
excited
crazy.
for it.
And I got Apex accounts ready to go for next week. So that's gonna be crazy. I went short at an average of 536.
Right, you're in short.
Yeah.
What are you talking?
My first TP, I want 520. Second, I would love another 20 points for 500, but we'll see. I would love another. May I have some more? Actually, 520. Make that 519. There we go. Tap me in, boss. Tap me in, boss. Yeah, once you see the structure of this today, like they're just right now, at least for right now, we're just exchanging candles.
Mm-hmm.
Just exchanging candles. So if you put on some heavy size and you confident in that, you could do pretty well scalping these exchanges right now. But look at it. It's exchanging and going down. Exchanging, going down. I got my first TP. I took another one off. And I'm just riding one last one short at 42.50. That'd be cool if I could get 500 though. Something in my eye. Ugh. I got an eyelash in my eye. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be right back. I can't see.
Okay. Okay. Dang it. Okay, of course, of course, of course, of course, of course, of course. Everybody wants to mess with me. I'm not even on the clock yet. Everybody wants to talk to me. All right. Okay. Yeah, so I'm feeling this long, baby. We'll see. We'll see what happens, man. I think I still believe that we get to at least 580, at least. And I think if we break this range to the upside, then we can get to 600. Yeah. Yeah, I think we keep pushing. Now with that push, we're okay. Let me be very clear about this. We just broke that trend line, and the structure is still in an uptrend. Yep. Okay, there we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Hopefully, Smith is not still in. Yeah, hopefully Smith is not no longer in this position. Hopefully he's not. Seems like both of our daughters trying to join the stream today. Look at that. Look at that beautiful move up. Yeah, I think this is going to. Yeah, this is going, dude. This is definitely going. This is going. Hey, you still in that short? Yep. Yep. Let's just keep pumping, baby. Let it keep pumping. Pumping. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, I don't have any ranges marked out. I mean, it could reject right here, technically, because we're at the top of this range. We're at the top right here at 70. But if we can break it, then we can definitely get to the top of the range at 90. What up? You still in that position?
Hey, yo, I come back to the... What did I
You still
come
in the
back
position or
to?
not, dude?
Yeah,
You
what
still in
did
the
I come
position or
back?
not? Dude, I told you this is going up.
What did I come back into?
I told you this is going up, dude. Don't inverse the term, dude. But yeah, this might get to 600 possibly, man. This might can get to 600, but we had to get past. We got to first get past 85, 90. You got to get to 90.
All right. I'll take this off. Yeah, I'll take that off. Yeah.
What you were saying earlier before? You said I was being too what? You said I was being what?
What are you talking? I stepped away for how?
You said I was being too ambitious. I was being too what?
What happened here? What just happened?
Baby. The charge is what happened, baby. The charge is what happened.
I go away. Yeah, it broke out. Yeah, dang. That's the breakout. Yeah.
Dude, I told you, bro. Don't inverse the term, man.
You didn't say nothing. Get out of here.
Oh, dude.
Get out of here.
No, we're not gonna accept that. We're not gonna accept that. Not today. Not today. I was saying, dude, this is gonna go up. Pause to the 590.
Yeah, let's bring out the receipts. Oh, this could go down to 385. Exactly.
Hold on, what? I said it'll be interesting if it goes to 385. No. Y'all not gonna attack me today. Y'all not gonna attack me. Y'all not gonna attack me today. Y'all are not gonna attack me today. I said this is going. Once it broke that range, I was like, yeah, this is going long.
Oh, shoot. Oh, that is too funny. Yeah, man, we finally got that breakout. Hey, I'll step away, we get that breakout. I didn't feel like I was gone that long. Oh, the 23%. Could I get a quick 580 push to 6? We pushing to 6? See, that's that 4 hour. Never go against a 4 hour. Or are we gonna dump 580? Oh, it would be crazy. We gonna dump 580? The Sherm Accountability Squad. Yeah, he needs it. He needs the accountability. Oh shoot, this man be wilding out.
So we're not gonna hold on. We gotta take this back.
So we're not
So
gonna
me and you didn't
accept.
have a conversation. This is not going to 590, 580.
Look, and I said I would. I said
and then you said what? You said what? You said that I was being what? Too ambitious?
No. When you said what were you saying? Didn't you say like 6 something? Didn't you say like 6 something? I'm like, dang, that's ambitious, or something like that. I don't know. We'll have to go back and see.
Above 590.
We can go back and see, but
6. And if it gets above 6, then we can definitely retest this high, and probably further.
But anyway,
yeah, if y'all ain't gonna listen, now I'm gonna keep my levels to myself. Shoot, I'm gonna sit here and talk about I ain't calling them out as it happens.
But anyway,
you went short. I was wrong, baby.
I was short that was like 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. And it actually played out. I just didn't take the profit. Like, we're not going to sit here and act like this breakout didn't just happen 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes ago.
I said, yo, this is breaking out, dude. There is no way this is going down.
Yeah, throw the challenge flag. Throw the red flag.
Anyway.
Review the tape.
So after we saw that breakdown of that range, and then we saw that consolidation and that breakout, I was confident in this long.
Wildin'. Review the tape.
Confident in this long. Hey, review the tape, man. Review it. Review the tape. Where we at? 590, right? We about to hit 600, right? Okay. We about to hit 600, right?
I'm in this log too, baby. It don't even matter, baby. It don't even matter because I'm in this log too, baby.
I was being too ambitious. I'm taking a hit. Target field, baby. I thought I was being too ambitious.
He said, hold on. Let me make sure that target is filled. Hold on. Let me make sure that target does get filled before I say anything. 600, baby. 600, baby.
Yeah. I thought it was too being ambitious.
Look, you gotta look. You have to have both sides. You gotta have both sides in there. I said,
I'd rather have the right side in there.
Okay.
I mean, if you're gonna choose sides, I was like, dude, this is going up, man. I mean, where did it hit at? Early in the stream, I was like 507, 508, 507, 510.
Bro, we both said that though. We both said that would be a good area to long.
We both said it, and it hit it.
We both
went long. Let's see what it does here, man, because we have the shoulder this other side of this range. So this is where they came in. We'll see if
they
can
dumped
push it past it. Yeah, I think we can probably get a pullback. If we get a pullback to 573, 560 area, 560, 573, and the bulls can hold that area, I can see it. You can push past that high. Okay, baby. All right.
Oh man. Long from 506? Muhammad been long since 506. Hey, yo. You've been silent, bro. You should have said. Actually, we all agreed on that area. We all agreed. Between 510. Yeah. That's around the same area. We all agreed on that. This dude wildin', man. Alright, I'll take out another.
All I want to hear is that apology. I thought it was being too ambitious.
You ain't getting no apology out of me because
I
call both.
I get it.
We call both sides out of here. I admit when I'm wrong.
Okay, I get it.
I step away.
Yeah, I mean, I get it. I said we going higher.
I step away. Baby. I was playing all sides. What you talking about?
All right.
I was playing shorts and longs because we were in that range. And what did I say? Stair step down. We'd have to break out. What did I say? Rewind the tape. I said we got to break out above 560 for this to confirm. To go up, to push up. Review the tape.
So I was in at 510, rolled that thing all the way up, baby. But I only had one contract because I hit DLO yesterday, so I couldn't even risk putting size on this damn thing.
Man, this shit gonna come all the way back.
Yeah, probably it's gonna, dude. They're at supply right now, dude. This has to have a pullback for it to go higher, but it is a strong move though. This was a strong move higher, so I'm gonna assume that if they don't hold this 21 EMA, they're gonna probably pull back to 570, 560 in that area, and then continue higher unless they hold this EMA. But that's 30 points, man. That's 30 points at risk right there, dude.
Yeah,
30 points
giving up 30 points in profit and.
Let me look at this range real quick. Look at it.
Nah, we pushing. King push. King push.
I mean, technically we're in supply, so that's why I was like, dude, we need a pullback. We're in supply. We're in heavy supply.
We don't technically. We don't really. We had our drops, man. We had the drops yesterday. We tested it earlier at 5 o'clock this morning, and dropped.
But we're in supply now, though, so it's like
we could.
If this wants to go higher, it has to drop. It has to at least pull back to 560, if not VWAP. But I think 560 is that area.
Nah, I think we're clear to launch. I think we're clear to launch.
Okay, we'll see.
I think
we need a pullback first.
Nah, but if we rewind the tape, I said 510. I actually had a limit at 508, but I took that off. I had to take profit at, because I was what? Did I go into that short yet? No, I didn't. But anyway, it don't even matter. What's in the past is in the past. I took this short at the top here. I took out, or no, that must have been like a reposition. Damn, I should have got out. Yeah, I should have got out down here at the bottom of the golden fib. But I stepped away because I had freaking something in my eye. I had to get that eyelash out my eye. Eyes was all burning. But yeah.
I would look for a long. If we break 620,
dang, long 20 contracts. Golly. Hey, you trading in Apex or Personal Capital?
Yeah, so if we break over 620, then I'll look for a long in that area. I don't trust going long in this area.
570, 20 contracts. Sheesh. Yeah, you braver than I, sir. I'm gonna take one more off right here. Take one off in the 600s. Oh, I got you. I got you. Man, see, that's what I need. I'm gonna get up to the 20 accounts. If I quit playing around and just be disciplined, be boring. I don't like, but that's the way to do it. That is the way to do it.
Thanks. I don't understand why you do the things you do. I just don't understand it. Why do you do this?
Yeah, that 4 hour. See, you just gotta trust that 4 hour, man. That 4 hour was king. It wasn't looking pretty earlier, though. I'm not gonna lie. The hourly looked like it was, more bearish than the 4 hour was looking bullish somewhat, and then the hourly was looking hella bearish.
Like, dude.
Oh, we rejected off the 50 on the hourly at 609. Huh. Okay. Yeah, I'll be careful down here. I think I would exit. Yeah, I'm gonna exit and I'm gonna reposition. Reposition if we get lower. If we tap into 70 or this 23%, I think I'm gonna go. Matter of fact, let me stop the talking. Let's put the money where the mouth is. If we could tap in. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I know. I know it adds up, but I just that is the smart way to do it too, and I know that that's the smart way to trade it. But it's so boring to me. So boring. But hey, congrats, bro, getting that bag. That's what it's all about. I love it. Get that bag, baby. Get that bag, baby. You see, I had to throw in that statement for the gamblers out there. Up at the top, the scrolling statement. Hey, this ain't for the faint of heart, baby. It involves significant risk. You can't accommodate that risk, get out of the NQ. She can destroy you in seconds. Oh, man. Look at that. I took a almost $600 loss on that play. That was what, 20 points I lost? From 40 to 30. 30 points. When I could have been up, what, 20 something? If I had gotten out, exited right there. But let's see. Let me check these other charts. Yeah, the hourly was looking hella bearish. It dropped, what, 50 points plus? Yeah, that had to be over. Let me see something real quick. Yeah, I think that was almost 100 points. Almost. Probably like 90 something points. 85, 90 something points. On that hourly. Now the 4 hours, like, yeah, give me these points. Give them here, baby. Give them here, baby. Buy this flag right here. Buy this flag right here. Yeah, let me buy this flag right here. I would love a drop to 70 and then bounce back up, sweep back up, but I'm probably not gonna get that. Probably not gonna get that. Boom, 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 boom. This thing up 67 points on the 4 hourly. 612. Gotta be careful of supply though. Gotta be careful and cognizant of supply. Careful, be cognizant of supply at here. So I'd probably take it off at 610. Take off 5 at 610.
Okay. All right, guys. All right. Wow. Okay. All right.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, I think yeah, we're in supply right now, so I don't think this is going to go up any further. I mean, if it does, we would need to have a break above this high. I think it could reach probably up to 620, but we would need a break over 620, a close for a move higher. But we're definitely in supply right now. Um, we'll see. I'm just going to wait for that 560 entry if we get it. Or if it breaks over 620 and we get a strong close above it, then I'll look for a long there. But that's my bullish and bearish case for right now. I think if price continues higher, we can probably get to 650. I think that's doable. 650. I think that's doable.
Yeah. It's doable, huh?
Yeah, it's doable.
Do 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 do. 606.
Yeah, it always seems to do that, man. It always seems to freaking do that.
17. Nah, keep moving y'all orders back. They got all that sitting at 610, so that's why I got my TP at my first TP at 610 because they probably want to play games around there, like they playing around with 600. And you see, we only got like what was that 608 before the drop, and then back to like 606. So you know we want them targets, baby. But yeah, protect your capital though. We want them targets, but still protect that capital. You let Sherm tell it. He's like, no, it's targets or nothing. That is not the way. That's not the way. That's not the way.
No, that is the way, baby.
Targets or nothing. We go out in glory, or we go cry in the car.
Cry, baby.
All right.
We don't do it.
I took some of that off right there.
I mean, it could break here. It could break it.
It definitely could. No doubt about that. But I don't like the way it's playing around up here. I don't like it.
This is why being too ambitious. Look at this. Look at that.
For my ambition.
Freaking 595 though. I should have kept it for clean. Yeah, so I got a lot of playing room now. Got some playing room now. But I think maybe I should lock this day in, honestly.
Womp womp womp. Dang.
Should probably lock it in.
I'm in too. I cut most of my position here at 605. And womp womp womp. I should have kept my 610 exit. Launch pad. Houston, we have a problem. We're ready to go. T minus 10, 9, 8, 650. Blast off. Yo, you know what?
What?
Let's wait till this pullback. I'm about to throw in more on the pullback.
Why? 650 doesn't sound too crazy right now, huh?
No, I'm looking at. No, look, nobody. You need to relax. You act like we all against you. I'm just saying.
Nah, y'all questioning my analysis. I already told you I'm sensitive about my work. Y'all hear Erica Badu? I'm sensitive about my work, baby. Don't be coming for me.
So I'm sensitive about my work.
I'm sensitive about my shit. I'm sensitive about my shit. Don't cuss me.
Play with my money.
I'll fight you every time.
Like play with my
I'll
emotions,
fight you
baby.
every time.
Oh man,
But, yeah.
I gotta cut it. Oh, I gotta cut it soon. That sucks. Cause I'm almost at my threshold. I'm almost at my max.
You can't. No, you can't make no more. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, boo. Uh-oh. Boo. Actually, how much do I need? I need to get that in because 26. No, that's not even updated.
Is trader rate down for anyone? Seems like trader base having his issues now.
Trader
base turn.
Trader base's been laggy. It has been laggy.
Dude, I think like, man, during these news events, they be like, dude, we can't have these traders, especially the big lot traders, make all this damn money. Let's mess up the Rhythmic, Ninja Trader 8, and freaking Trader 8. Let's not feel them.
That's what happens when you monopolize it.
I found it interesting that as soon as the market opened, Trader 8 and Rhythmic, or not Trader 8, but Rhythmic was having issues and nobody could put on any positions. I don't know if that was happening just with Top Step or if that was just happening worldwide. But I just found that very interesting that Rhythmic was having problems. Because, dude, if you caught that drop at the top, man, look at that drop, dude. Look at that drop at the top. How many points was that?
Drop at the top. What did you talk about? From 8 o'clock or?
From yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. Yeah, catch that drop and hold it.
Yeah, that was like what? That drop. Where do we open at? We opened at 570. 570. Well, that's not really not a real drop. Not a real drop. Or okay. I'm thinking about in terms of us. If you trade your personal account and you were short since 650, now that would have been real. That's a real drop. That's a $250 move right there. Just about. We'll see, man. Because we're still in supply, man, and it seems like the momentum is dying down. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this pullback at 560. See what happens. VWAP is at 550 or 546, so we'll see. Yeah, because if it holds at that 550 level, then we can definitely move up higher. But if the bulls hold it here, I think we can definitely see 650.
Yeah, that lag was nasty. It affected me a little bit. Not so much to the point where like I took L's or anything, but it was like suspect though. It's stuff that you don't want to deal with if you're trading your own real capital. Like that would really tick me off.
Yeah.
Yeah. That would be just nasty behavior. So I need about
6 more minutes if you're on that party.
Need about $1,600. Yeah, so basically right there at the top, at the highs. I think it's like
Oh, off topic. I seen an ad for Apple's Vision goggles.
Yeah.
Yo, that's gonna sell. I don't know why Apple's dumping. That's gonna sell. There's no way that does not sell.
Damn, I made too much money.
No way.
I made too much money. Gah! I made too much. I was trying to check it and I made too much. Dang it. That's not a bad problem to have, but when it comes to these evals and their stupid rules for consistency, that sucks. Because I would love to ride this with you guys, baby. I would love to ride the rocket ship up to 650, 700, 800, baby. Mark is about to flip
man,
green.
I wish we got this.
We 10 points away from flipping green. Because we still, technically, we're still down. We're still negative on the day. Still negative on the day, baby, but we about to flip it. Aw, man. Man.
You ain't got no other accounts?
Man, I passed my nah, baby. I had to it's the consistency rules. It's the I would have stayed in it with y'all. Don't come at me. Don't get mad at me. It's these stupid prop firms consistency rules. I made too much. I made too much money. My target was 4,500 and now I made 47. So now I'm gonna have to make I'm gonna have to make more on the back end. It sucks. Yeah, it sucks. When you try to lose money, you end up making money. That is so true. You try to lose money on this, Sherm, you could back me up on this. You already know. You try to lose money, you end up making money. And I'm just like, yo, what the heck? But when I'm trying to make money, it's as hard as F. Takes all the time in the world. Well, this is a take profit. Yeah, this account is my take profit. Apex, I passed my Apex accounts last night trading pre-market. I went full port. Yeah, I'll show you the charts. Let me log in, but this is take profit. My goal here is to stack up all these funded accounts with these different prop firms. That way I'll have them in rotation. I'll have them in reserves. And I can just, if I have a bad day in one, I can switch to a different one and hopefully make that up. But that's my goal here. Get all these different prop firms, get them off to the funded side, and then start rotating them out.
Yeah, stayed in that long, man. Look at that, man.
I would have loved to have stayed in that. If this was a live, or if this was a funded, or my own personal, I would love to have stayed in that. Trust me. But they got a 50% consistency rule for take profit. I think it used to be. I want to say it used to be 30, but I just checked and they made it 50. So I mean that's cool. But,
yeah, I think so. I think it used to be 50 or 30 or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah, because everybody was following Apex for a while.
Yeah. So here's Apex. Here's my Apex accounts. We can look back. Can take you back pre-market. Right here, baby. Right here, baby. That's where I made that 9K. I went full port. Look at that. I started at 848, 850 at night last night. And then I rode it all the way down to 89, 15. 15 full port. And if you want to see a different, yeah, you do. Yeah, you lose the account if you hit that the max daily loss, which sucks. So I don't know if they have. You could set the parameter. I don't know if they have that with the funded or with the prop firms. I know in your regular account you could set like limits. Let's see, preferences. I don't know if it'll let you do that on here. Payment, security, privacy, profile. Yeah, I don't know. Look at y'all. Look at y'all longs go. Look at you go.
Mm-hmm.
Look at you go. You still long?
Nope, I got out, man. I got out at 95.
Oh, you got out? Oh, I know you salty right now. You gave up. You gave up all them points.
I'm kind of mad about that. I ain't kind of mad about that.
Yeah,
Not gonna lie.
this was last night. This is the Apex account, and this was last night. Yeah. So it's not even showing up for. Yeah, this was last night. It took me about 2 hours to do that because pre-market, moves slow.
Dude, I don't know, dude. I don't know.
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna try to force my way into this. I was kind of mad. I'm not gonna lie because I just got out at 95. Like I said, I had to take a loss on me yesterday, so I had to lock in something. I had to lock something, man. And it was only one contract, so I didn't want to. I didn't want to deal with that.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the take profit eval, the one I've just been trading on stream. That sucks. I set this short, go up 20 points. I'll walk away. I'll up 20 points, and then MS just launches rocket ships. I come back down 30 points, and I say, you know what? F it. We're gonna long this at 580. Bought 5, longed at 580, scaled out, repositioned, which was probably kind of a little dangerous. Repositioned up here at around 595, 600, and then same again. But like I said, I made too much. I'm probably gonna try to see if I can go long to lose a little bit. Cause wait, what's my?
How much you make it?
I know, right? Let me.
Hey, when you go long, I'm gonna go long. You ain't trying to make the money.
You go.
You ain't trying to make the money, so you're gonna make it.
Right.
Then you don't like. So who do I fuck over? Who do I fuck over?
Exactly. Yo, you trying to lose money? Let me get you an extra $500 on one contract. Like what? Yeah, I'll probably just leave it. I'll just make it up on the back end. I'll make it up Monday. Forget it. I'll make it up on the back end.
How much are you over?
Like 200.
Man, dude, they might have that. They might have the same threshold like Topstep got, to where if you make a little bit over, they'll. Because I mean, they all use the same system. I mean, I would highly doubt that they don't. But yeah, Topstep has it to where, I mean, if you make it a little bit over the 50%, then you're good. They'll pass you. So I'm going to assume that take profit.
Yeah,
the same thing. Using the same system.
I don't know.
And it's only $200 more. I mean, even if you don't get it, if you don't get it tomorrow, you gotta make an extra $200. It's not like you gotta make an extra 1,000 or nothing. It ain't nothing crucial. It's not like you're $1,000 over.
Yeah, I mean, because my goal was to make 4,500 or maybe like a little bit less than 4,500, and I made a total of. Well, Is this updated? I don't know. Is it still lagging on the data? Because it said total P&L 4755, but down here it says 4320. Oh, you know what? No, because yeah, yesterday I made 4510. Yeah, it don't even matter. I'll make it up on the back end. That's fine. Because I got one more. Today is day 4 for this account, and I got one more day to trade to pass it. And then
this is a higher high.
Yeah,
is this gonna be a trap right here? Let's see what happens. Let's see if they try to trap the bears underneath the 600. Let's see if they try to trap them. But I mean, like I said, we're still in supply, so I don't know. But I wouldn't be surprised if they're going to trap the bears at 600.
Yeah, it doesn't include the overnight. So, but yesterday, hold on, that's Apex. I did take some trades, but I was just testing something out last night. I was testing out. Yeah, I took this right here. It's just a little test. These two to see something. So yeah, I guess I made 175 on that, and then 40 to get to 45.10 yesterday.
Yeah, all that risk, a little bit of reward. So looks like they.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I think this might this if this wasn't that if that wasn't the trap, I think they might trap the Bears under 600. But we'll see.
Hmm. Yeah, because it bounced off the was that the 50,000 tick? Yeah, that's the 50. 50 moving average crossed over to 200.
So 590. Let's see, 590, 590,
Let me
588.
check my dashboard real quick because I had a losing day. I had a losing day in this, and
Dude, let's see. Let's see if they trap that. This is coming up. I think what 96. Let's see. Let's see what happens at 96. So now we're under six. Are we under 60? Yep, we're under 600. Now let's see if they're going to trap the Bears.
you think there's a bear trap?
Let's see if they're going to trap.
And not a legit. Yeah, it could.
I mean, it could be. It's 50-50 right now. It's 50-50. We left supply, so this could be supply. But let's see if they trap the Bears here.
Okay, so day one. Yes, I'm just looking at my dashboard. Day one, I made 2250. Day two, I lost 2955. Day three. Oh, they counted it as. Hold on, what? They included the overnight. Wait, what? Because, okay, day three. Oh, that's the balance. Okay, that's the balance. I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Day three, they said I made 4,000, just over 4,000 yesterday. And then today, if I look at it for today, okay, maybe I'm good. I might be straight. This might be correct. 43.20. Yeah, I might be straight. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Like I said, if I got to make it up on the back end, I'll make it up on the back end Monday or whatever, next trading day. There's no holidays or nothing, right? No. Yeah. We should be straight. Yeah.
There you go. I guess that confirms it. Those Bulls are trapped, or not the Bulls. The Bears are trapped under 600.
Full port, baby. Hey, that's dangerous, though. We do not recommend that type of toxicity.
And let's see if they go to 40. Oh, there we go. Yep, called that. Yep, that was a bear trap, baby. That was a bear trap. Those bears are trapped.
Caught the short on the 5 minute. Ivan, nice. You took profit, right? I hope so. Sherm was calling for this bear trap, and it looks like he was. Yeah, you were on point. You were on point with that. I give you. I give you your props with that. You were actually on point.
Yeah, well, that suggests that I'm never on point.
No. I didn't say it like that.
No, that's the way you said it would suggest that you are actually on point. Like, this isn't every day.
Whoa. Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Like, this ain't every day.
No, that was a good call, though. Good call. They took it just under 600, like you said, and trapped them bears. They thinking, oh, we got the short now. Nope. Oh.
No, they got trapped because they're trying to get to 640, 650. And that's what they're trying to get to. That's where they're trying to go.
Nah, I didn't go full port off 600. I think I was only in like I was in like seven or eight contracts. It if you're looking at the whatchamacallit, um the orders, that's because I'm copy trading, so it's gonna show like a million orders or however many it takes between because it's split between three accounts. So I think I was in like five, yeah, six, seven. I think I was in like seven or eight contracts on this trade. Let me see. I bought one, three, that's four, another is five, and then I took five off. Uh, yeah, took all that. Wait, because then that says I took one off at 17. Maybe I was in a little bit more. I don't know. I saw what I saw was like seven or eight. I bought five more here. Bought another one here, and then bought another. So I think I was in like seven. That is that's the tick strike indicator. It's the link is in the description if you want to check it out. They got a full license, or you can do monthly, and it's just tracks. It's just like another order flow tool, basically. Because I use Bookmap. I got Bookmap sitting above here on my other monitor, and I use this as well. It gives audio sounds. I think I got all of them muted, or except for two, NQ and ES, I think. But yeah, you can have the audio on to kind of let you know. It just shows you the big sells or big buys and whatnot. The highest is like 15. It goes up to 15. So oil, yeah, we got some buys coming in oil right now. Meta, yeah. Take profit 50k evals times 3. Same buy on micros. Okay. I mean, yeah, that's shoot the 50k. What's the profit? What's the profit goal for the 50k? Is this like what 2-3,000? Somewhere around there. I was thinking about doing a static account, but then I was thinking about doing an Apex static account, their only static account that they have. But then I looked at it, I was like, man, I wouldn't survive that.
Yeah, that static account is complete trash, dude. I doubt that they sell it. Too much of them.
Right. They gonna double bottom this and push up to crack that high, that 629 high. Yeah. But yeah, that's yeah, I know my style, I wouldn't survive. I would completely have to change how I trade. I wouldn't survive that at all. But the static. Yeah, what's going on with the news right now? Is there any, let me check well, not news. We ain't had no crazy earnings today or nothing. Oh, we got Atlanta Fed GDP coming up at, yeah. Who had Blue Sky has a static account that I thought was very interesting. So you start off, it's almost like earn to trade where you start off in micros, but you can grow it up to, and they give you up to 20 minis. So I thought about doing that one too. I was like, man, start off in micros. I think they give you like 5 micros. You got to hit the goal or whatever. I want to say the goal was 2,000. I don't know. I've been looking at all these different prop firms, so I may get them mixed up. But growing it, it's 150K balance, and it's a static account. But you can grow it into trading up to 20 minis. And I'm like, huh, maybe, maybe. Yeah, it's their static growth account. I just pulled up their site. The profit goal is 2K, $800 of static drawdown, no daily loss limit, no consistency rules, no minimum trading days. And that's what made me consider that, because there's no minimum trading days. You get 5 micros to make $2,000. So obviously that's going to take some time. But once you get to the funded side, it's the same thing, $800 static drawdown. After you hit $2,000 profit, static drawdown is $300 over the starting balance. So like how they do. And then you get 10 micros. 10 micros, 1 mini. 10 micros, 1 mini. And then their risk management team can increase you up to 20 minis as long as you grow the account. And so I was like, I might want to try that. Maybe. That seems like a good little challenge. Yeah, that's Blue Sky. Blue Sky. I'll put it up over here. It's right here. I'm not logged in, but log out. Blue Sky. This is their static account. Oh, go ahead.
My bad, go ahead.
I was just gonna say I was considering this one, doing the static growth, because you can
I saw the one.
Go ahead.
I was gonna piggyback off what you're saying. Yeah, I remember you sent this to me. I did look at it. I was considering it.
You basically, as you grow the account, they can increase you up to 20 minis as you grow. I know that's not for you, Muhammad. That ain't for you. That ain't your time. Oh, man. Yeah. Then they only go up to 100K on their regular stuff. But their payouts is every day. They say they process payouts every day. So it's just like take profit. So, but yeah, like the same thing. Like oh, go ahead.
Remember, you got to trade like 8 days though.
8 days. Yeah, it's
you got like 8 days.
It's an 8-day eval, yeah, which kind of sucks.
I think there's a consistency rule in there as well, isn't it?
Yeah, 30% consistency.
Yeah.
Yep. $100 cons? I don't think so, because you gotta think from their perspective of risk. I don't think any company would take that unless you go to Forex. Them Forex prop firms give you all the leverage. Yeah, there's no minimum days. There's no minimum days with this static account. Because it's gonna take you. Obviously, it's gonna take you some time to make 2K with only 5 micros. Like that's gonna take some time. I don't care. I don't care how you get in. That's what half of a one lot, a regular mini. Yeah, it's gonna take you some time. You gotta catch points. So, yeah. This is their stuff. This is their plans. Yeah, I think I'll talk to their support. You can only copy trade 2 accounts. and you could only have one 100K account. So I mean, that's kind of lame over there. So I thought about this one, and I also thought about doing the 50K because you get 10 minis, but then I was just like, dang. Oh yeah, you got to be a trading maniac to hit that. You got to be a trading maniac hit that goal in 2 days. That's crazy. I mean, yeah, you catch points you catch points, you could do it. Get in the right spots and catch these points for sure. But yeah, that's that. I may consider it at a later date, but
Yeah.
I don't want to. I'm already
honestly,
oh, go ahead. I was just gonna say I'm already like overwhelmed with all these different prop firms, so I'm gonna
I was gonna say that, dude. I was like, man, you got evals on top of evals, dude.
I do.
Evals on top of evals.
The eval maniac.
I mean, it's good to have just in case you go tilt one day and win, and
exactly.
hopefully you don't go tilting all of them.
Right.
You know how that shit goes.
No, we're done with that 2023 behavior.
Hey, man. Hey, it happens, dude. I mean, yeah, we're done with it, but I mean, obviously, yesterday I learned my lesson about taking profits. I mean, obviously.
Yeah, Moxie called you out. She was like, "This, he'll never take his profits."
Not about the profits. It's about the targets, baby.
It's about the targets.
No, about the profits. It's about the targets, baby.
Yeah.
This is the game. I mean, I do recognize that, man. Like I said, I think we've already spoke about this before. If there's a trader with a mixture between me and you, like, you take your profit.
Sometimes.
Well, you take them more than me, because I'm not going to take my profits unless I hit my target. I'm not going to put no trailing stop on it. Which, I mean, that's bitten me in the ass plenty of times, and I'm just too aggressive. That's why I'm perfect for intraday trading. I'm aggressive. I have an aggressive personality. Type A personality. But if Smith uses size, I don't like trading with size.
Yeah.
I hate trading with size. The only time I feel comfortable with size is in Apex. That's why I don't understand how that even happens. I get an Apex and I'm going 4.30 contracts. Why? That doesn't make sense. But I will feel comfortable doing it. I will feel comfortable doing it.
Because they give it to you. They give you the freedom to make your own decisions in Apex. The only thing is that lame trail and drawdown. That must have been... When I don't think about the trail and drawdown, I do well. But when I start thinking about it, I'm silly and make all these silly mistakes. Like this week.
Yeah, that's been, I guess you're old, quote unquote, 11.
Yep.
Yeah, but it is what it is, man. I probably might actually. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to defeat that behavior in Apex, because I think, like, if I can get into Apex and do away with the degenerate behavior that it awakens in me, if I can just trade that like I trade my Top Step account with the amount of contracts that I'm given, like Top Step only gives you 15. I have 30 contracts. And if I pass that threshold with 30 contracts, shit, y'all gonna be seeing my name taking $2 million from damn Apex. It's like, oh, not again.
Not again. We gotta shut it down. We gotta do a fire sale. We need what they gonna do?
Zero pass. Spend $1,000 for a funded account.
We gotta make that up. Ban him. He's banned, but we gotta pay him. Take $2 million from $2 million from Apex.
Man,
yo,
all the profits that I don't take. What's up?
Live trading. I don't know if he's still in here, but I'm surprised they didn't close you out for going so long. You about to hit like a year in Apex, and you've taken. He said he took out like 170K somewhere around there from Apex.
Oh wow!
I'm surprised they didn't ban you yet.
Let's see what happens when he gets to 300K. He's like, all right, he's making too much money. What's going on here? Give him more contracts. More fraud.
Give him more contracts. He'll blow it up.
They always do. They know their customer base, man. They know who we are. We can't hate them. Don't hate the player, hate the game, baby. Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Yeah, Muhammad, I'm waiting. We waiting on you to bankrupt Apex.
And I'm surprised, like, dude, honest, I'm surprised. Look, I put my real money in futures for like 10 seconds, and I was like, yeah, no, I ain't doing this shit. I am not doing this. I am not doing this. I couldn't imagine fucking being.
It's not for the faint of heart. That's all I was gonna say. It's not for the faint of heart.
Yeah, because I remember you telling me that, man, that one day you was up like 11, 10K, and then you sent me a bunch of talk about, yeah. I came on that back. I was like, what? 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 Man, I put $1,500 in my trading account, trading micros. I don't know how I blew that so damn fast. This is when I first started trading futures, man. Way back in what? We started trading what? 2019, 2020, one of them years. Yeah, man, I blew that 1,500 so fast. I was like, man, I just gave the market 1,500 of my own dollars in a day.
Yep, because somebody got paid off of it. You paid somebody. It's an exchange. It's an exchange. There's somebody on the losing side and somebody on the winning side. So you gave somebody your $1,500.
Oh yeah, I said, yeah, never mind. I'm going back to options, baby. And then you introduced me to prop firms, and I was like, dude, you should have said this $1,500 ago, dude. $1,500. You should have said that. Could have had about a.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait on. Yeah. Yeah. There was one time that for some reason, I don't know why they didn't cancel it, but I left a damn position over the weekend. I'm just so glad that I didn't realize it until an hour before the market opened, because that hour felt like an eternity. It was China news. I think I was long or something, and the market opened up limit down, or not limit down, but about 10, 20 points down on one micro contract. Dude, I had to close that and thank the gods, the market gods, because it could have been much worse. I could have gapped down. I would have been in margin. I would have deleted the app. I would have did all that. Because shoot. For some reason. You said what?
Remember, I went in margin on Ninja Trader. I owed Ninja Trader money that one time. I was like, dang. I should have just deleted it.
That's a secret that brokers don't want you to know. You delete the app. They can't reach you. It's like, oh man, we can't reach this guy.
Cut off all communication.
Somebody to break your legs.
I owed Ninja Trader so I opened up a live account on Ninja Trader. I owed them like $500.
Thank God it was only 500.
Yeah, but no, it was crazy. Like they didn't close out my account or nothing. I was in the negatives. You think they would, do it like how Tradeovate does? You don't got the margin to cover. They close out your stuff. They margin call you. And they just let that mess go. I was on the wrong side of a trade. I was like, yo, you gonna do me dirty like that? Close it out.
Oh, they know exactly what they were doing. They know what they was doing.
Then I left it open because I was like, well, maybe this comes back in my favor. I was on hopium.
They knew exactly what they were doing. Yeah, they knew what they were doing.
Yeah, and I owed Ninja Trader like $500. I was like, dang, that's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
it's like, yeah, let's see how far we can get this guy. Let's see, because they're supposed to liquidate you, but
exactly.
Dude,
they left that position.
As hell, dude.
Yeah, they left that position open. I was like, hey, yo, what? I thought I was gonna be liquidated already. Nope.
I will say futures is dangerous for people that don't know what the hell they are doing. It is dangerous. I think it's hilarious that the SEC thinks it's okay to put a 25K cap on traders trading margin and options, but give people the free reign to trade margin in futures. When futures is way more dangerous.
Yeah, you can lose. I mean,
You can lose more than you put in. That's like, dude.
Yeah.
And then
yeah.
I mean, you can go down to zero, but just imagine being up 18K and watching your one contract go all the way to being like $2,000 down. All that money you have to owe. Like, delete the app.
Delete that.
But I think that's crazy though. It's like, why would you? Because I remember when I was trading options, I had to cap I had to get in the positions, and if I didn't want to get that PDT rule, then I had to hold it. And I did that so often to where a winning position turned to a loser, and I was like, I'm just going to create a cash account. I ran that cash account up, down, and I only use margin for credit spreads anyway. So it's not like I would take a position with margin and use it. I'll just use that for credit spreads. Get that premium, baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Compared to these future gains, nah.
Yeah, at least with options, you lose what you put in, but yeah, futures.
That's just dangerous, dude.
It's crazy.
Come on, SEC.
CFTC, SEC. Yeah, like that is crazy. You think about that. Wow.
It is crazy. Like when you realize how dangerous that is, like that is super dangerous. I don't know if anybody's familiar with that story of the guy that traded with margin on Robinhood, and because of a glitch, he took his own life because he thought that he was $700,000 in the hole.
Oh yeah. Stupid. He said I would have deleted the app. That's not the solution. I thought you were talking about the other guy with the Apple calls, but yeah, I do remember that story. It was
no, dude.
It was sad because it was sad because he didn't understand how. That's another thing, how they gamified options, and he didn't understand how they worked, and all he saw was that negative, But he wasn't he in like a spread or something?
I'm not sure what position he was.
I
just know that he used that dangerous margin that Robinhood gave to new inexperienced traders.
Yeah,
Robinhood.
Yeah.
And then there was a glitch to get it unlimited, and he used it, and so that's why it just appeared that he was that much in the hole, but he wasn't.
He really wasn't.
Yeah,
that was sad. And he was young too. I think 18, 19 years old, something like that.
Something like that, yeah. Dude, I mean, it's understandable, man. I've been there. I've been in a place where it's like, damn, I worked hard for this money, and I lost it all trading in the market. And you get to a deep, dark place. It's dark there. Mm-hmm. But you just tell yourself, man, you can live another day to make it back, man. I can understand that.
Delete the app.
I don't gamble to the point to where it affects my livelihood. There is a cap. I will gamble, but to a point. I understand that some people gamble their whole livelihood away, and they feel like they don't have any other options. So.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I remember that video you sent me about the gambler, or maybe I sent it to you. And the guy was like, yeah, win or lose, it feels good. And there was this other video that I think I sent you about the guy that said that he's going to go in, he's going to gamble, he's going to sell his camera or whatever if he loses.
Yeah.
And he goes to the pawn shop and sells all his things to the point to where he was living in his vehicle. He sold everything but just to gamble. That's how bad his addiction was. And what's more crazy is that he was aware of everything. So just being consciously aware that you have a gambling addiction, but not having the strength to be able to do something about it. You're just going to gamble because there's that impulse to gamble.
Yeah.
And it's like,
Yeah, there's a couple documentaries out there on YouTube about these different gamblers, and it's interesting. It's an interesting watch, like to see, how you never want to become. Basically, it's like you said, it's a dark place. Say you've been there, I've been there. Yeah, it's not pretty.
It's not pretty, dude. You have to have it really tests your self-love. Like if yourself doesn't believe that you don't love it, that is the ultimate test. because, man, you get to a spot where it's like, man, everything just feels empty. There's no tomorrow. You're just living in the moment. How are you going to make ends meet? How are you going to face the people that depend on you if that's your situation and stuff like that? And yeah, especially for men. I mean, well, it's not an unfortunate thing. I think it's an honor to be able to provide for other people, but we have the expectation as men. We need to provide for the people that depend on us, and to face them and tell them that you gambled what they depend on. Yeah, that's hard. So it's shameful, really, and it's like the shame, the darkness, the self-loathing at that part. Yeah, it gets bad. So it's understandable, but hopefully, if anybody's in that situation, you can just understand there is a tomorrow. People has been in that same spot. We got out of it. We just had to work hard. I mean, that's it. You don't have to take your own life.
Yeah, that's true.
Not necessary.
Yeah. Think of 2008 financial, the 08, 09. That was probably like the worst crisis since the Great Depression time frame. Like, we recovered eventually. It took some time, but we did recover. But yeah.
And how did we get there? Because the banks was gambling with everybody's money. It was basically doing a Ponzi scheme.
They were. That's insane.
Gambling with everybody else.
The banks were gambling with literally people's 401ks, their money, all their funds. The banks were just gambling them away. And the mortgage-backed securities, that BS.
Yeah, I mean, you got to think, like, gambling finds its way in every part of every institution that's here in this world.
That's crazy.
There's a form of gambling, dude. And then the government had to bail them out. And then, like, what do you think that the banks, I mean, it's like, well, shit, I'm going to gamble all this stuff, and I just know that the government's going to bail me out. So why not? And they did it. They did it. So.
Yep. Government bailout. That was so, yeah. That's just lame. They need only like 1 or 2 people went to jail out of all of that. Like,
the fall guys.
Yeah.
The fall guys.
That's crazy. Uh-oh, we got a little flash dump here. Let's look at this on 5 minute. Yeah, I mean, that's it for my trading today, guys. You saw, I got nothing else right now. Plus, it's coming up time for me to get up out of here. Anyway, we just talking. Oh, shoot, look at this dump. I love it. Take a dump. That's crazy. This one ain't no fake out. I think this might be the real deal. This might go to VWAP. Might go to VWAP or 570. I wanted to get long.
Yeah, I think so too.
What was it? 577. I wanted to get long. Not anymore.
I mean, we'll see, dude. I mean, this is it's broken out the range. Obviously, we'll see if the Bulls buy this back up. If not, then yeah, it's real. It's real.
Yeah. So what's that? 2750 times 20. I mean, that's 55 grand though. If you had 20 accounts, 55 grand. That's not bad. Yeah, they capped. So if you go read their what is it? It's on their payout page. It's a part of Apex's game to another thing for the casino's advantage. Basically, they cap you on how much you could take out. You can take payouts twice a month, but they cap you on how much you can for the first 3 months. Anything after, once you get in that 4th month, you can withdraw the whole balance if you wanted to. That's what old boy did. That's how he took out him. He traded for 4 months with Apex, took out his million, took out his $1 million and was like, all right, I'm done. And then that's when they gave him the boot. They banned him. But I'm sure he found another way to get in there. I know how the game goes.
Mm-hmm.
What's the facts? I'll throw it up on the screen. Give me 1 second. I gotta find it. Yeah, it's only for the first 3 months. 4th month, you can withdraw the whole the account balance. So if you can consistently build an Apex. No, it's not a lifetime. No. It's only for 3 months. 3 months. 3 months. On that 4th month, you can withdraw your whole balance if you wanted to. You can clear it all out. Empty them out. And that's what the one guy did. I gotta check on him. I gotta see what's up with him. Yeah, you could throw that in your own account. Heck yeah. Shoot. I'd throw some of it in there. I throw a pretty good size in there. I'll do some other, maybe some long-term investments. I diversify it basically. I wouldn't throw the whole thing in there, but yeah. That's what I wanted to do until I went full tilt with Apex, because it just, like I said, it just brings that out of me. But that was 2023. This is 2024. We're new here. Hold up. Tick. Oh, okay. Yeah, they saw. Okay. That's some good info. Because I used Tick once, but because Tick was trying to basically mimic Apex, and I'm like, y'all don't. For those of y'all that are newer and don't know, Apex, you used to have to trade for like 20 plus days before you could get a payout. That was in the beginning. That was the old Apex. I was like, man, ain't no way. This is super rigged for you, set up for people to fail, because they know most people not gonna make it to that. I'm waiting for them to make it a little bit better, man. If they change the payout structure, or I know they're gonna probably keep the cap, because I know people are hitting them up constantly for these payouts. That's why they keep doing these fundraisers. Like who said that JC or Alfred passed the collection plate? That's why they keep doing that. But if they maybe, I don't know, maybe if they made the withdrawals like once a week or something, yeah, that would be cool. But I don't know. Yeah, I think you used to have to trade like 24, 26 days, something stupid before you could get a payout in Apex. It was so dumb. And I was just like, nah, that ain't for me. They came together, had that team meeting. Yeah, we gotta change this, because ain't nobody gonna rock with us like that.
I'm interested to see what Top Step does. With this big change, is supposed to shake up the prop firm world. I want to see what the hell they're talking about.
Yeah, I'm curious too. I hope it wasn't their payment thing. They added Wise. Like, okay, big whoop. You're not the only one with Wise. Wise, for those of y'all who don't know, Wise is just a payment processor. You can send money, basically like a PayPal. The only difference is you can choose the currency. Which currency, like, it's really intricate. Good for international payments, because you could choose which currency you want to receive it in. But that's not no shakeup. Other prop firms use Wise. That is not a shakeup. So we'll see. See what he got in mind. My funded futures. Yeah, so I gotta look more into them too. Yeah, I gotta look more into them.
I thought we talked about them. I thought they was kind of sell their courses full price or their evals full price?
Pretty much. I mean, they only did like for the expert. It's different for the expert plan. If you do the starter, I think they had like a 50% off, but the expert plan was only like 20% off.
I mean, I guess. I mean, like I said, I wouldn't try to compete with Apex, man. I don't trade Apex, and Apex is the number one prop firm on my mind. So it's like that's who every prop firm is competing with is Apex. So
yeah,
they're the top dog. I wouldn't try to talk about let's compete with Apex by having their same rules but at full price. Okay, let's see how that works out for you, guys.
To me, if you have the only way to beat Apex, I think, is in your payout structure. And I mean your rules too. You gotta, if you have end of day drawdown and a withdrawal whenever you want type of payout structure, I think that beats Apex. I think so.
Yeah, it's gonna be the payouts, dude. I mean, that's the only way that somebody's gonna consider using your firm over Apex. I mean,
yeah.
Top Step had to literally reduce their prices down to almost nothing to be able to still be in the same conversation. $150 for 150K account. Yeah, they had to do that if they wanted to be competitive with a one step, or technically a two step.
Oh, y'all don't remember a Top Step you had to make? Because remember I told you, he was like, what? You got to do what? I had to make, you had to hit the profit goal twice when they had their two-step thing. You had to do it once with no scaling plan, I think, and then the second time you had a scaling plan. I was like, this shit's stupid.
Top Step used to be 3 steps because you had to get the profit target, the threshold as well.
Yeah, it was. I was like, yo. He was like, what? You got to do what? I will never trade that.
Yeah, Top Step almost was never going to be on my never do business with list. And all that craziness. But it was crazy that Smith would do so well in Top Step. And I'm like, how?
I didn't
like, dude, how?
I had no answer for that. I took my time with it. Took my time. Maybe that's the reason.
Yeah, I'm sitting over here gambling in Apex or U Profit at the time. Because I gambled my way out of Apex, and I was like, you know what? Let me just stop. Let me go to this end of day drawdown. And this guy's sitting there making 9K twice, and I'm like, dude, what? How did you do this? The rules suck. How do you do this? And I guess it probably is the rule. I think the freedom is probably, like, especially in trading, that freedom is dangerous. The freedom to do whatever you want in an uncertain environment.
Yeah. Yep.
But yeah, Top Step was Smith's prop firm. Top Step. I mean, you got funded live when they had the 3 steps over at Top Step. That really speaks to your ability to trade these markets, and he was doing it with the NAS crack.
Yeah,
the NAS crack.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
It looks like the Bulls. I think it's going to probably reject off this right here. It's going to probably reject. It's at the bottom of this range. It has to break the bottom of this range for this to be a legit sell-off. But I don't think so. I don't think the move is downward. I think this goes higher. I think that was just profit taking right there. Yeah, I think they're going to push this higher. Let's see, at 605, let's see, that's where the 50 EMA is. Let's see if it's going to get in the way.
Higher time frame looks good. Yeah. Muhammad's long at 579. Damn.
Oh, Muhammad's long? Oh,
damn, near caught the. Oh, Muhammad's long? Okay. Oh, you good.
I'm sitting there thinking, like, okay, I mean, does this go? I mean, what does it want to do? But the Muhammad indicator.
Got the Muhammad. Confirmation. Yeah, that's the confirmation. Give you that
Yeah, it's
confidence.
good.
Give you that confidence in your position. Yeah, buddy, we good. We gonna crack highs, baby. I'm looking at the higher time frame. Yeah, it does look good. We had this big move down.
Yeah, that's gonna definitely get bought up, dude. That's gonna probably go, like I said, to 650. Because now there's literally nothing in the way except for the top of this range at 623. There's literally nothing. If it breaks that top, we are going to 650 and possibly higher.
Shoot, I'll say 680, baby. The bottom of this
You think so?
680. Yeah, the 680 is the bottom of this range on the higher time frame. 685, 683. Yeah.
Look at the 1 hour. Yeah.
Muhammad about to catch.
Yeah, I think it's 650.
He about to catch 100 points. He about to catch 100 points right now. 4 hour. Well, shoot, we got 2 hours left in that.
Yeah, that 4 hours still looking good, man. Like I said, I think we can get to. Yeah, I think you can have a run into like 670. I think 670 is like a good area to 666. I think that was previous range. That's 666, 670 area. Yeah, that little area right there. Yeah, there's like a range right there. That's if the no, I don't think the Bears come in right here. I don't think they do, or I hope they don't. I went in long at that drop. I got in long at that 200 EMA at 582, and you already know what I'm targeting. You already know what I'm targeting, baby.
Oh, you got it at 582?
Yeah, I got in at that 200 EMA.
Nice.
So hopefully it doesn't dump here, and I have to consider closing this position. Hopefully I don't, but I will let it ride, baby. Yeah, because my stop is at 62, so hopefully it doesn't come back and hit it, but I think we go
Muhammad said he. That's so funny.
What?
Said he said someone told him that the tilt was 85% short, so he said I immediately went long. He literally faded them on top step.
I'm gonna stop sending me emails. Yeah, I don't even look at that shit no more. Let me look at it real quick. Look at them coming. Hopefully they buy it right here. Buy it right here.
Yeah.
Buy it right here. Buy it right here. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Let it do.
That's
me
funny.
logging the top step X that I don't even use.
F that platform. I've never logged in and never will. Forget that. All them problems you told me it has, nah, I'm Gucci, man. Stay away from that. Oh yeah. You break that, you getting 650. You break out of here.
Yeah.
Minimum.
Now we gotta break above 620. We gotta break above 620.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You get to about 625 and it's starts dancing around at 25. I think you're good. You solid for at least 650 minimum.
I wonder what they're gonna try to do. Because it is Friday. Fridays ain't the same no more, man.
Yeah.
Fridays ain't the same no more, man. We want them old.
Them just Fridays. Complete run up Fridays. It just goes up straight up. Or
we want them old Fridays.
It stair steps up. You'll get a couple pushes here, 20, 30 point pushes, but it just stair steps up all day.
Well, the tilt is 52% long now. 48% short.
Oh shoot.
Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me. I was wrong.
Well, I mean, if you go, don't let it. All we'll say is don't let it come all the way back on you. At least take some off. You only in how many cons you in? You could text it to me. You could text it to me.
Nah, she might intercept the text messages.
Dang, you don't even want to text.
She might intercept the text messages.
She might.
But
She
hold
might.
on, just redirect those messages to me.
She might intercept. You gotta be super stealthy with it.
Yeah, because we gotta always remember, man. Yeah, we're trading a simulated market, but it's simulating a real market, baby. So. But no, just know that if I hit 650, I'll be happy. No, just know that if I hit 650,
I'm sure you
I'll
will.
be happy. Definitely be happy. I can recoup some of that loss that I took yesterday. Actually, a lot of it. Recoup a lot of it. Get me back on track, baby. Hopefully the Bears don't come in here at this 50 EMA.
All I'm saying
right now.
All I'm saying is, if they do come in, make sure you take your profit off. You can always reposition. Remember that.
What's repositioning? What's that? What's that? That's a new word to me. That's a new term. What is that? What does that mean? Reposition?
This is
Now we let it ride, baby. That's the only word I know. We let it ride, baby.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Nice work, live. I think you secured what, 12, 15, 20K, something like that.
Let's see if it does that, dude. That would be interesting if it does that. If it gets to 665,
Damn.
666, I think it gets there. I think it gets there, dude. I think it gets to 665, dude. But hopefully it doesn't have to take all day to do it, man.
And I'm saying you could take some size off. You could take some risk off. You could reposition.
I only got 2 on, man. You know how Top Step is, man. Now, if I was Apex, then yeah, of course.
Don't lie to us.
Of course. I only got 2 on. I only got 3. I only have access to 3 contracts.
Oh yeah. The scaling.
Yeah, this is Top Step. Yeah, I'm in Top Step, dude. And now, if I was an Apex, then yeah.
You'd be full port, baby. Full port, baby. If he was in Apex, don't deny it. You would. You wouldn't.
So with Top Step, man, I mean, to be successful, you got to get these big numbers up. It's not like we get 10 contracts off rip. That's why I was like, man, like, dude, if I can just combine Top Step and Apex, like if I can just transfer the patience that I have to have with Top Step to get the most optimal entry, I would be a terror for Apex.
If Top Step and Apex had a baby, they'd probably be the perfect prop firm.
Yeah, it probably would be. Give me access to all, like, the payouts. Like, honestly, the payouts, like, so if it's like every week you can make a payout, well, I mean, technically, yeah, you can with Top Step, technically, but you have to get those 5 winning days, and that can be stressful. That's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, that could put that puts the pressure on. It does put the pressure on. Trying to make that.
So, I mean, it's like it's just with that payout. It's that payout. It really is that payout. If I can just get paid out on the first day, then that'd be awesome. If I can just take whatever money that I like, if you cross the threshold, you can take a payout type of thing. But then I guess people would gamify that and just cross the threshold and just take all their money out. Because there's days that, like, you make 10K and then the next day in a whole week you can have a bad day and you lost all that work. But then, the house has to win. So I mean, they can't make it easy for you or they lose.
Right.
So, I mean, the reason why they're in business is because enough people lose for the winners to eat.
Exactly.
But yeah, that's why I want to try Apex, man. Like, that's why I get Apex when it's 90% off.
Man, we hadn't
I
seen
can lose $70.
We hadn't seen a 90% off day in, I don't know, it's been some months now. I feel like the 80% off 1 day pass is the new 90.
And they're gonna probably, like, dude, they probably make so much money off of that. They're gonna probably keep it like that. And then, well, remember, they got the trifecta. They got the half price resets too.
And the half price resets. That is clutch. That is clutch.
Price reset. They got the trifecta. They might keep, man, dude. They might, like, you know what? That's like the perfect thing. Half price reset, 1 day pass, 80% off. How can you not beat that? How can you not rake in the money with that? You know people going to try. Just pass it in 1 day.
Yeah, exactly.
You know most of them's going to fail, so they're going to reset the account.
Yep. That's just money flowing in for them. Dang.
Yeah. And then the people that do pass, they got multiple accounts. They got to pay the activation fee. Like, dude.
They got to pay the activation fee.
Fundraiser.
Yep. They got to pay the activation fee. So they getting money on all sides, man.
It's a win for them.
Yep. They like, oh yeah, this is our formula right here. Look how much we brought in just off of this. How many people failed, reset. Shoot, I did it, 2-3 times? 2 times yesterday. I had to do a reset last night. Like, so yeah, I did have to do a reset before making this, the 9K. And then unfortunately, the 300K account was sacrificed. She had to get sacrificed.
Had to be sacrificed.
The NQ requires a sacrifice.
She requires nothing less but a sacrifice.
Yeah, one of them had to go. So 300K RIP, she had to go.
Yeah. So you want to make money in my market? Huh? You know what I desire. But no, please. I need this account. Please. I just worked so hard on it. You know what I require.
I require that sacrifice. Give that the 300K. Come here. Get over here. Fatality.
So you want to make money in your 150K, son? I'm gonna need that 300K. I'm gonna need that.
Oh shoot, that's exactly what she said last night too. It's like, oh, you want to make money on this 150? Okay, I'm gonna need that 300K account from you. Oh shoot,
the contract has been signed. Even now, that's a 150K account. And you took no drawdown either, didn't you? No drawdown. That shit went straight down, right?
No, I took a little bit. Actually, it almost failed me again. I took some drawdown. I didn't get in at the position that I wanted to, but since I was in full port, and then I almost failed on the way down because it kept. That's the frustrating. That's what that trailing drawdown sucks because it kept like it'll pop back up 5-6 points, and I lose like $2,000 in drawdown right there, and I'm just like, man. But it was looking. I was pretty confident. I'll say I'm probably like 85% confident in that position. I just didn't get in at the right spot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think my long's good, man. I think this good. This is good. I think this is gonna go. This is good.
Yeah. Well, like I said, man, good luck with your long. I'm about to get up out of here. Yeah. It's been a crazy week. Yesterday, I wasn't really feeling it. Today, not gonna lie, in the beginning, I wasn't really feeling it either, but it was a good day, I guess. It was a good day.
Yeah.
So
I was able to get my money back. Hold on. Wait a minute. I took a trade in CL today?
Oh, look at that drop of CL. Didn't you want? Oh, you wanted 75. Look at that drop on CL.
Hold on. I took a trade today. I got $500 in my other account. How did that happen?
This man taking trades, making money, and not even knowing about it.
No, those are the best trades, dude. I guess I left a limit on CL. I forgot about it. Okay, all right. Okay, I like that. Honestly, you know what it probably was? Because Top Step last night, the limits, I think I was trying to test the limit to see it because it said that it was working. Mm-hmm. And I just tested it, but then it locked me out again. And so I was like, well, shit, if that limit hits, I'm calling up Top Step and say, hey, look, I mean, I got locked out of the account trying to test it out, and I guess it got hit, and it worked.
Yeah.
I'm up $500. It was a $500 play, so I guess I caught 50 points. Huh, I mean, I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm not gonna complain.
Yeah. Yeah, CL, that run up, man, that's some epic movement right there though. The run up and the drop. Lee. All the way down to the 200 and bounced. Well,
okay, so do I actually? I'm gonna take one off here at this range high. I'm gonna take one off.
All right, thank you.
I'm gonna secure that.
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna have one runner at going at 65.
Thank you.
Yeah, I mean from 82. How many points that was? Like, I guess I'm up. How much am I up right now? I'm still in one. Yeah, so I'm up $2,100 right now. I'm only doing that with 2 contracts. That's why I hate. Like, dude, if I had that's why. This is why I need to get rid of that damn degeneracy in Apex. I'm catching 2,100 points, or I made $2,100 in profit on 1 or 2 contracts. I started off with one, caught that big run up, and then I scaled in with this one, moved it up to, because that 90 points was only $1,700 play, or 16, because I got out early. So like $1,500, $1,600, and then I caught this run up, moving the profit up to 2,100. So, and I still got one runner at 65. I think I'm gonna leave it, and that's why I'm like, that's why I don't like Top Step, because all this money that I'm making with 1 or 2 contracts, I can definitely make that with 10.
I don't know. You put on that size, you start to get blinded. I don't know.
Yeah, I do get it. Yeah, like fuck it, let's go, baby.
But if you scale up into your size, I mean, that's another way of doing it. But putting it all on at once, I don't know. Oh, yeah. About to crack this. But, yeah, I'm glad y'all, we got, hopefully all y'all risk managers out there made some bread. This was a pretty clean day. I mean, I'm not going to lie. It's like, it wasn't too, the beginning was a little kind of crazy, a little chop session in the beginning. But when we got that breakout, yeah. When I stepped away.
Damn. I forgot about that. All right, I'm done. I forgot I have an auto trail to protect me, and it took me out at this high. Fuck, I forgot about that. Okay. It took me out. I was going to let this run to 65.
Oh, dang.
Yeah.
Well, at least you secured the bag. That's all that matters.
Yeah, I made $2,100 a day. I'm going to... $2,100. I only traded about 3 contracts today. One catching that long from 510 all the way up to 95. I should have kept it to 620, but I hit daily loss on me yesterday, so I had to lock something in. And then I caught that long at 582, and then I got stopped out here at this high right here. So, I mean that auto trail is to protect me from myself, so I can at least lock in the profits, but.
Damn, Nvidia's $600, 614. I don't even. Meta, bro. Meta was sub 100 when I wanted to buy. When they did that whole restructuring of they start firing everybody, and then they're or before that they had all these different departments, all these different people, didn't know who worked where.
Dude, like honestly, Elon Musk really shook up the industry because everybody thought that he was going to fail. I mean, but here's what I will say. I've seen the pictures that they shown of the staff at Twitter. And yeah, I don't think half of those people were engineers. I think they probably had like maybe a 20% engineer workforce, but everybody else was like a form of marketer or something like that.
Yeah.
And I was like, how the hell? They were just hiring people just to hire them. Like, I know they have nothing to do with Twitter because you see like all the day in the life of a Twitter employee.
Yeah.
It was like, yeah, I'm going to go upstairs and look at the view and sip my mocha, not doing 1 ounce of work. Like,
Elon was like, heck no, get that mess out of here. You here to work, baby. You here to work.
Yeah. Well, I think it's going to probably get bought up probably in this period right here. But, yeah. Like I said, I work in this environment, and yes. I mean, you have a lot of freedom. Obviously, I have a lot of freedom, but I have to do a lot of work. So, when I see that they're just sipping mochas and sitting on rooftops and looking at views and stuff like that, I'm like, yeah, okay. No wonder why he got rid of all those people. Damn, looks like
Yeah.
damn. See, this is when my stop protects me. Look at that.
Yep.
Look at that.
Because they just got ran. Stop run.
Yep. And then that low is probably gonna probably get ran through. It actually might get to 560. I might get to 560 for real.
I'm trying to see where these shorts were looking to take profit at. These bouncing between 600 and like 597, 95. Where they looking to take their profit?
Because we had to break over this range. We still could. Like if I would look for a long if we break over and close strong over 623. We did break over it, but you can see that it got sold down. So I'm thinking this is a two-legged pullback. Let me look at this real quick. This looking like the two-legged pullback that's coming in because we did get that break underneath the range. Obviously, we got the two-legged pullback. Oh, shoot. This is going down. Okay. I'm glad I got out of this position. If you look at the market structure, we were trading in the range. We had a strong move down, a two-legged pullback, a break, a liquidity sweep over 23, and it's looking like this is a two-legged drop. Let's see if this works. Let's see if it works.
Well, they just ran some people these short stops. 23, 399.
Yeah, but let's see. If they can get it above 63, then we can definitely keep going up to 66. But there needs to be a strong close above 623. We got to close above 623, but obviously it got sold right back down into the range. And now we're at the bottom of the range. If they sell this, obviously those stops that's underneath 75 is going to get ran. But VWAP is sitting at 560, so
562. You think 562?
Yeah, I'm maybe like 553. Maybe the Bulls come back in at 553, possibly 543 if price gets down there. This is a questionable range. We didn't get over 63, so that's why, or 623. We didn't close above it. That's why I'm shifting my bias now to the downside. But if we get that close above 623, then my bias will go back to being bullish and possibly going to 666, possibly 680, possibly.
I think here. Hold on. Yeah, on this chart is. So here's what I think. I think we could see I think we could tap in here to 648, 650 before dropping again. On here, it kind of looks like a real crazy looking head and shoulders on this time frame. So I do think we could get that pump up to this next supply zone, and then this 650 zone, which is the golden fib on this higher time frame chart. And then I do think we could pull back from there, and then maybe try to go back to VWAP before, because it's a lot of transactions were made down here in this area. 560, 550. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna lock my XFA right now because I know me.
Well, look at that.
See a setup.
Swept right back up. 144 shorts got stopped at what is that? 620. I can't see it on there. Buy stop.
What's that? Right, yeah, 621.
621.
621. Yeah. So like I said, we need to close above that 623 level.
Yeah, they got stopped.
Strong close.
Sheesh. Yeah, they got stopped out. All them people who was pushing shorts. They say yoink. Psych. Another fake out.
Another bear trap.
Yep. Yeah, that one that was deep.
Let me close this shit because man, if 623 becomes the man, I'm gonna get back in. But I don't. I'm gonna lock my account. I'm gonna lock myself out.
That becomes. Hey, I'm done, y'all. I'm done. Those are just my 2 cents. I do think we go higher. My final thoughts on this. I think we get to 648, 650. We crack. Maybe I'm gonna say I'll give it a 10-point range, 650 to 660 before the next drop. before the next drop. Maybe it tries to go. I think VWAP. No, I don't want to say it's too low because we saw what happened yesterday. But I think we tap into there before we get a drop, a big drop. Big drop. I don't know where. Yeah. Maybe this 200. Maybe back to the 23%. That would be a pretty decent drop from 650 all the way back down to here, or maybe back to VWAP. But we'll see. We'll see. Man. We'll see. That's just my thoughts. I'm not taking it. I'm not trading nothing. I'm done. I'm about to get off here. Enjoy my weekend. You guys enjoy y'all weekend. Sherm, you got anything for the people, for the risk managers in the chat?
No. You gotta see what happens next week, man.
That's right. Next week's a big week. Yeah, super big week.
Yeah.
Get these accounts funded. My Apex accounts will be funded for next week, so that's cool. I think I want to work on more evals before. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, like I told, my strategy right now is to get a bunch of different prop firms to the funded side so I can have them on reserves and just put them on rotation. But yeah, y'all did some nice work trading today. What you got, Sherm?
Oh no, I was just looking at the price action. I've already locked myself out because I'm already itching to either go short or to go long.
Yeah.
I want to see like, dude, this is looking like it's going short.
Well, do it in the practice account, or just either take it to the practice account, or just watch it play out. If you don't even want to touch it.
I mean, let's see. I mean, I'm looking for that close over 622, but ultimately, obviously, we have to get above that high at 631, obviously. But the high of this range is 623. That's the high of the range right now. So obviously, that looks like right now, that push to 630, that looks like it's a liquidity sweep. But if they find support on top of this range, this shit is going. It's going. It looks like it is. Let me just close. I'm gonna close the charts. I'm closing them. I'm gonna jump back in this shit.
But then you'll never know. They said, take it to the practice account. It won't hurt.
Yeah, it will hurt because if it works,
you gonna FOMO in. Yeah. I'm encouraging bad behavior. I already know what this is. Just close it out. Just get out.
I would but I don't have anything else.
All right, y'all. Hey, like I said, I appreciate y'all hopping in as always. If you still gonna trade this today, trade safe, secure the bag. A lot of us in here secured the bag today, so that's cool. That's always good. Later, everybody. Take care. Have a good, safe weekend. Be back Monday to get in these NQ streets, baby. Full port, baby.
Let's get it next week, baby. Let's get it. We got full volatility next week, baby.
Yes.
Man, if you don't make no money next week, if you ain't making money next week, you got to really evaluate, like, damn, what am I doing? Dude, because there's going to be a lot of money we made.
It's a lot of money going to be made and lost next week.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
It's going to be on both sides, man. Both sides. But, all right. Appreciate everybody. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe. Click the links in the description if you want the discounts. Click the link in the description. Help out to grow Sherm's channel. NASDAQ Anonymous. His recaps are fire and on point. And we're going to get it next week. As always, peace.
Peace.
bye.